The legendary adventure wagon is back, and it's better than ever. Meet the all-new 2026 Subaru Outback, redesigned with a tougher look, smarter technology, and even more capability for every road and every adventure. If you love road trips, outdoor exploration, or simply want a safe and versatile SUV, the new Outback might be the perfect choice. The 2026 Outback introduces a bold new design that looks more rugged and SUV-like than ever before. It features a larger grille, strong body lines, and a more upright profile that enhances its adventurous personality. New split-style headlights and optional 19-inch wheels add a modern touch, while protective body cladding keeps the Outback ready for rough terrain. And of course, Subaru's signature Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive comes standard, giving drivers confidence in snow, rain, gravel, or dirt roads. Practicality is still a major highlight. The roof rails can support rooftop gear like bikes, kayaks, or even a rooftop tent, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Step inside, and the new Outback feels more modern and refined than ever. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a large 12.1-inch infotainment touchscreen take center stage on the dashboard. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone connectivity. Subaru also improved cabin comfort with quieter materials, redesigned seats for long-distance support, and more interior space for passengers. When it comes to practicality, the Outback offers up to 80.5 cubic feet of cargo space, making it ideal for camping gear, luggage, or everyday family use. Under the hood, the Outback continues to offer two reliable engine options. The standard engine is a 2.5-liter flat-4 producing around 180 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission. For drivers who want more power, higher trims offer a 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine delivering about 260 horsepower. Both engines come with Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive system, ensuring excellent traction and stability in all conditions. Safety is one of Subaru's biggest strengths, and the 2026 Outback raises the bar even higher. It comes standard with the latest EyeSight driver assist technology, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and pre-collision braking. New advanced features like emergency stop assist can even safely bring the car to a stop if the driver becomes unresponsive. These systems help make the Outback one of the safest vehicles in its class. With its rugged new design, advanced technology, spacious interior, and legendary all-wheel drive capability, the 2026 Subaru Outback continues to be one of the most versatile adventure vehicles on the market. Whether you're commuting in the city or exploring the wilderness, the new Outback is built to handle it all. So what do you think about the 2026 Subaru Outback? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car videos.